THINGAMEJIG scribing tool. This tool called THINGAMEJIG deserves a spot both in your workshop and in our compilation. It includes 3 tungsten carbide blades that can replace your construction pencil, marker, and more. Instead of drawing a line on surfaces like baseboards, it creates a groove, making trimming much easier. For precise measurements, the THINGAMEJIG has a block with both millimeter and inch markings, adjustable from 0.01 to 25 millimeters. This tool can handle a wide variety of materials, from plastic and laminate to metal and stone, and it's priced at $85. RAIMONDI Up the Tiler Pad. The RAIMONDI Tiler Pad is a versatile work platform designed with tilers in mind. Made of rubber, it makes tasks like cutting, drilling, and applying glue much more comfortable. Each platform can hold up to 75 kilograms. If the standard 60 by 60 centimeter size isn't enough, you can combine multiple platforms. The platform's legs are flexible, so there's no need to worry about damage from tools like diamond discs. The platform is priced at $145. MAKITA sprayer. Meet MAKITA sprayers. What stands out first is their impressive battery life. These tools can spray for up to 8 hours straight. Interestingly, MAKITA designed them to be carried on the shoulder. The DUS54RF weighs only 3.5 kilograms and has a telescoping spray wand length from 50 to 70 centimeters. It also features an 8-shaped nozzle with easy manual adjustment. The D54RF's tank holds 5 liters, so is the price of $298 justified? VALUEMAX Strap Wrench Set. VALUEMAX offers a set of strap wrenches that plumbers will love. The first wrench has a maximum grip diameter of 15 centimeters with a torque of 200 Newton meters. The maximum grip diameter of the second one is 10 centimeters with a torque of 90 Newton meters. This combination is perfect for various projects. From replacing sinks to installing showers and even some auto maintenance. Plus, it can open stubborn jar lids. The nylon and rubber housings provide a comfortable grip and reduce hand fatigue. VALUEMAX sells both wrenches for a great price. Can-Am ACCU-JUST Corner Finishers. The Can-Am ACCU-JUST are premium corner finishers designed to handle angles from 72 to 135 degrees. Some retailers claim it's the only patented option worldwide with this range. These finishers are optimized to seamlessly blend both edges of machine joints in just one pass. They feature special guides for smooth operation. One version even comes gold anodized, which might explain the price tag of $55. A less luxurious version is available for $385. AMPROBE TIC300 Pro High Voltage Detector. The AMPROBE TIC300 Pro vă permite să verificați curentul fără contact, indiferent dacă este în linii de putere sau în priză. It's a versatile detector that handles both low and high voltage systems, ranging from 30 to 1,500 volts and 1.5 to 122 kilovolt AC, respectively. For clear alerts, it features the Voltec warning system that uses both bright lights and loud sounds. Plus, it's durable and can survive a 1.8-meter drop. The price is $426. Rail pulling shoes and switchblade lining device. Did you know that rails also wear shoes? These are known as rail pulling shoes, and they come into play when rails need to be moved longitudinally. These shoes weigh around 76 kilograms per pair. Another heavy-duty tool that many railroad workers are familiar with is a switchblade lining device. This tool is crucial for making traffic on switches safer. With it, workers can ensure a close fit of the switchblade on the stock rail, both during routine maintenance and in emergency situations. The device itself weighs about 59 kilograms, so in case of emergency, a single person can quickly remove or place it on the track. MAKITA top-handle chainsaw. MAKITA isn't just about drills and drivers, they also make chainsaws like the DU-254Z. This saw might look like a toy, but it often proves to be more useful than its larger counterparts. Not only is it the lightest in its class, weighing just 2.6 kilograms, but it's also cordless. Despite its compact size, it can make 175 cuts on a single charge, thanks to its 5.0 power battery. The bar length is 254 millimeters. When you're working at heights, this small MAKITA saw can be much handier than bulky gas-powered chainsaws. To add it to your toolkit, you'll need to spend about $516. Johnny's PAPERPOT transplanter. Now, quickly, can you plant seedlings with the PAPERPOT system? One person can easily plant 264 units in just minutes. The planting material is packed into small paper sections attached to a belt, ensuring they end up in the ground perfectly spaced. You can set the planting interval at 5, 10, or 15 centimeters. The PAPERPOT system weighs 12 kilograms, making it easy to roll with one hand. Whether it's worth $699 is for you to decide. MAKITA DFS 452ZX2 screwdriver. The MAKITA DFS 452ZX2 screwdriver might have a complex name, but its capabilities make up for it. This model features a brushless motor and can reach up to 4,000 revolutions per minute. Since it's cordless, MAKITA has found a way to extend its battery life. In push-drive mode, the motor only activates when the fastener is engaged, allowing the 5-amp battery to last for up to 2,325 screws. Despite its unique shape, the screwdriver is easy to use with one hand, thanks in part to its 1.8 kilogram weight. At $37, this tool is a great addition to your collection. GREENLEE level. Let's wrap up our list with a quality tool, the GREENLEE L107. This level features 4 spirit vials and the same number of magnets. Its case has cleverly placed holes so you can see the readings even when looking at the level from the side. It can be set to angles of 0, 30, 45, and 90 degrees. The case is made from an aluminum alloy, and anodized to aviation standards. To own this top-notch tool, you'll need to spend $65. Roof pitch hopper. Working on a steep roof can be challenging, but the pitch hopper steps make it safer and easier. These steps stay secure even on a 45-degree roof, and some have even tested them on steeper slopes. There's no magic involved, just effective friction. The manufacturers achieved this by using a unique foam and patented design. Making the pitch hopper unlike any other product on the market. The standard pitch hopper is 61 centimeters wide, weighs 2.7 kilograms, and can support up to 113 kilograms. It's priced at $104.